Hey, this is Andrew Lim inviting you to go out on the limb. Dobro Jutro from Split, Croatia. Yes, I'm actually back here 20 years later, and this has become a tourist trap. Yes, used to be a somewhat sleepy port city, but now it's filled with tourists, especially on a Saturday on a nice day like this. And by the way, we're in mid-September, so this is the perfect month to come. And here I'm walking on the port area, about to board a private cruise ship with my friends for a week to sail down the Dalmatian coast. So it should be nice. So come go on limb with me and we'll check out the Katarina, which is the cruise ship that I'll be on, and also check out all these towns that's located along the Dalmatian coast. So it'll be fun. So let's bon voyage. Let's actually get on this amazing cruise ship together. Folks, before we start, kindly hit the subscribe button and the notified button for new contents that I upload weekly. Voila. So guys, I'm about to get on my cruise. The actually ship is behind me. The second one called Katarina. It should be fun. So come go on limb with me. This is a great adventure. MS Katarina, which is what we set sail on, is a deluxe super yacht that was built in 2019. It features a width of 8.5 meters with a length of 45 meters. So the super yacht features spacious sun decks complete with jacuzzi and accommodates a maximum of 36 passengers, offering 18 cabins at the above and lower deck with twins as well as double cabins, all complete with private en-suites and air conditioning. There is also a well-appointed dining salon which serves amazing meals, along with a terrace lounge and bar from which we could enjoy a glass of wine or any refreshment of our choice. We had an amazing set of crew that took care of us for the week, including Carolina, our cruise director, and the really capable Captain Ivan. With the exception of a couple of rainy mornings, we woke up to beautiful mornings with calm water. A daily post-breakfast stream would follow, and we even did an amazing yoga session conducted by our cruise director, who happens to be a certified yoga instructor. That sure came in handy. Our first stop was Makarska. So with a population of 13,000 Croatians, Makarska is a port town located along Croatia's Dalmatian coast that is known for its Riviera beaches, seafront promenade and nightlife, and a good hiking path. It also has an old town with a Catholic church called Cathedral of St. Mark's, which dates back to the 1700s. Our next stop would be our first stop on the Brač island, which is Korcula. It is a Croatian island in the Adriatic Sea with about 15,000 inhabitants, making it the second most populous Adriatic island after Kerch. The center of town is filled with charming narrow alleys, churches, museums, including a Marco Polo house which claims to be the birthplace of Marco Polo, which I did not visit because the last I checked, Marco Polo was actually born in Venice, not here in Korcula. Nice try. Korcula is a charming town to visit nonetheless. Next stop was probably the most popular stop on the Dalmatian coast, and that is, of course, Dubrovnik. With a population of about 42,000 Croatians, Dubrovnik is known as the Pearl of the Adriatic. It's charming with restaurant tables lining up its alleys and bustling town squares. And yes, the HBO hit series Game of Thrones put the town on the map, and now you have millions of the show fans coming here to check out the shooting locations of their favorite series, which I still have not watched a single episode. Guys, I'm doing a Game of Thrones tour, even though I've not watched a single episode of it. A walk on its famous city wall is a must when you are here in Dubrovnik, which dates back to the Middle Ages and extends up to 2 kilometers and over 1 mile long. Along the walk, you enjoy the many views of the famous tourist spot. Speaking of tourist spot or perhaps tourist trap, Dubrovnik was not this packed when I first visited the town 2 decades ago. Now, thanks to Game of Thrones, there are literally tourists every corner, which is definitely good for the local economy, I guess. I think I've spoken enough for today, so stay tuned for our next week's upload for more stops on the Brač island as we sail along the beautiful Dalmatian coast.